Hey everybody and welcome back. You might notice something a little different about me today. Something that I'm wearing. Something that I'm representing. The black, the gold, and the spoked bee. In this lesson we're going to be going over the Bruins goal celebration song, aka Kerncraft 400 by Zombie Nation. We're going to win the cup this year. That's a fact. Alright, so here's the lick. Goes like this. Let's break it down into 3 phrases. So here's phrase 1. It's 1-4 on the A, 1-3 on the D. 1-4, 1-3. Now to add on to this, we're going to add 1 on our A string 4 times on the upbeat. I'll show you what I mean by that. So we'll play those first 4 notes, then we'll kind of like stagger those last 4 1s on the A string. Up. Same thing. They come like right before the downbeat. That whole first phrase is like this. So here's phrase 2. Here we go. 1-4 on the A, 1-3-4-3 on the D, 4 on the A, 1 on the D. 1-4-D, 1-3-4-3 on the D, 4 on the A, then back to 1 on the D string. Here it is slow. 1-4, D string, 1-3-4, 4, A, 1 on the D. Then here's a 4th phrase. So we have 1 on the D, 4 on the A, 3 on the D, 1 on the A. 1D, 4A, 3D, 1A. And then we're going to add another 4 notes on the upbeat. Let's throw all 3 phrases together super slow. We'll try to connect them piece by piece. It's phrase 1, we'll do it again. One more time. Next phrase. Same thing. 1-3-4-3-4-1. One more time. Last phrase. 4-3-1. Again. 1-4-3-1. Cup's coming home. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, hit the like button. Go Bruins, baby. We'll see you in the next video.